Have you seen? It came out a long time ago. Have you seen NASA's posters, the Vision of the Future posters,
No.
where they talk about how it would be to travel to different planets on holidays? They made like these amazing posters. I really love them. They came out a long time ago, and they're very very beautiful. They're so well designed.
Hmm.
You can just type like NASA Vision of the Future posters or NASA posters. Yeah, they look beautiful, dude. They look beautiful, each one of them. Like
Okay.
I saw it. They have like they have like Earth, our oasis, your oasis in space, and then they have like different moons: Enceladus, Titan. They have Jupiter. They have like these. They have like these different taglines basically for all these posts. But it's like it's beautiful. Whoever's listening, if you want, you can check it out.
Okay, I have a morbid question.
What?
If I go to space and I die in space because my body freezes, what if someone, okay, now just for the sake of this, what if someone tied me with a rope to the one end of the ISS and my body is just like swaying in the space breeze, and then they figure out technology to help people come back to life, and instead of being cryogenically frozen, I am frozen in space. Will I still qualify to be brought
No,
back to life?
no.
Why?
You just be frozen everywhere, 100%, I guess.
Okay. So there are creatures, I think earthworms from glaciers that Russian scientists took out, and when they de-thawed them, they lived.
Yeah, but that's different.
Audi
See,
says
I'm
no
not an
oxygen
expert on
doesn't.
this. Yeah, no oxygen. I'm not an expert on this, but in space, you wouldn't live.
When you're cryogenically frozen, do you have oxygen? Isn't it just your body in a freezer?
I don't think so, dude. I think they give you oxygen. At least that's what I think. I don't think they would just keep you in a freezer, frozen. Otherwise, you'd be dead.
Isn't that the point? You die, but they preserve the body.
I don't know enough about cryo freeze to tell you anything, so I'm not gonna say anything. But I don't know how it works.
Okay, cryonics is the low temperature freezing and storage of a human corpse or severed head with a speculative hope that resurrection may be possible in the future.
Okay, so
That
it's
is,
already dead. So you're already dead, basically.
yeah,
Yeah.
so I can do that in space.
You could, yeah. Well, I don't know enough, but my small brain thinks it may be possible if your body is intact and doesn't get broken into many
Audi says you
pieces.
still need oxygen. Audi, tell me how a
A dead
severed head gets
person,
oxygen.
yeah.
No, I'm talking about preservation. I'm not talking
Yeah,
about sleep.
how does a severed head sleep, body?
Yeah, that is another question. No, you are literally frozen. There is no regulation of body temperature. You're frozen.
Dude, people are getting confused because they can't hear Audi and they can only hear you one sided.
Okay,
So
Audi, here. Cryonics is the low
I
temperature
don't think.
freezing and storage of a human corpse or severed head with the speculative hope that resurrection may be possible in the future. There is no reason for them to have
Hmm.
oxygen because they are being frozen. They're frozen with nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Okay, Audi says if you freeze in space, you die in space. But Audi, that's my point.
Hmm.
If even here, cryogenics, you are dead.
Oh
They
yeah,
just
that is true. Even it's basically an attempt to preserve enough brain information to permit the future revival. So
see. I
yeah, so that's all they're doing.
NASA 10. Okay, I'm not going to reveal my address directly. I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, you shouldn't
But
do that.
NASA, you know where to find me. I'm sure you already hacked into my computer with the big brain move I just pulled.
Hmm.
Let's talk about it.
Yes, let's talk about
We
it.
we will fill space with dead people.
Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a while.
Just think about it. Why do
I
we need to
think.
waste more resources on Earth
Oh
burying
my
people or
god.
cremating people? We send them straight up.
I think. I
And
think we
also,
should. get back to topic here. I think Blue is
Don't
going off on
don't
too far a
scoff at the
tangent.
idea because people want to put trash up in space. Would you rather have trash up in space than trash that is literally going to go everywhere and make things worse for our entire universe, or dead bodies in space? Audi says if a plane can screw up a spaceship, a dead body can too, but that is a calculated risk we'll have to take. What's the worst that's going to happen? A NASA engineer or a NASA astronaut is they're going to look out the window and there's going to be a body going, and that's it.
No, it's a body coming at 8 kilometers per second, headbutting the freaking window of the ISS. Yeah.
I
What?
don't know enough about this particular thing, but basically,
Look at this. This is the amount of. I sent a picture. We'll put it up later in it. This is the amount of kachra in space right now. Look at that. I sent it on T.
yes, and there seems to be space right about
My
here for a
God.
lot more dead bodies.
Are you shitting me?
Okay. You see, these satellites have like two pointy things. How about a body on each side, like a kebab?
Can we get back to Space Brothers? I'm done with this conversation.
I'm telling you, this is gonna happen in space.
Did you take your meds, bro? Bro, did you take your meds?
I did take my meds, but they don't need to chuck the bodies into space. They just have to preserve them in space until they can
No.
be brought back.
No. Hey, we just have silence now because Audi is not
I'm
recording
going to tell
himself.
them
Can
what
we not
Audi
do
is going to
this?
say.
Yeah.
Audi is asking why space instead of a station on Earth, which makes no sense because space is endless. The universe is constantly expanding. You're
The
gonna run out
Earth
of
is
space on
endless,
Earth.
dude. The Earth is endless. We don't know what's below us. We haven't gone as far down as we haven't gone up. You
I
know
don't want
that,
to. I
right?
don't want to dig like 100 kilometers to bury a body.
Well, you can. You can always dig as far down as you want, and it'll still be this much.
Have you looked at Kharga? They fill debris into everything, so you can't even dig. You just face
You
like
can.
huge stones which chip your shovel.
No one's going to
Anyway.
Kharghar to bury bodies, dude. Don't worry.
I am in Khargar burying bodies. That sounded very wrong. I'm sorry. That's not what I meant. That is.
Oh my
Please.
god, this is the episode we are going. This episode is going to take us down, dude.
I'm not even going to justify it, but they're not human bodies. Okay, that makes it worse.
Please stop.
I eat
Stop.
chicken. And I bury the bones. Okay.
Your dad is going to listen to this. Dude, you're just digging a deeper hole for yourself the more you
Well, at least you can bury me in it because it'll be deep enough.
Let's get back to Space Brothers, please.
Okay.